let's go see how to make the pizza donuts shape. Hello guys from Maestro Video Capelli, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something very interesting. Okay, so what you need for this amazing recipe is pizza dough. You need a little bit of tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella, but if you don't have fresh mozzarella you can also put the shredded mozzarella, some Parmesan cheese and some basil dry, and of course this little come lo chiamiamo questo? And you need a little shot glass. Let's do it. Okay, I want to talk about a little bit my flour that I use to stretch, because I've been seeing a lot of comments below about my flour. How do you stretch? It's a little bit yellow. Yes, it's yellow because I mix 50% semolina with 50% flour, which it makes the pizza a little bit more crunchy because the semolina, and also I like it more because it's more easy to stretch. Try. So let's start this video. I'm gonna put a little bit of flour in the corner right here on the floor. Let's get the dough from the box, exactly like a circle. Then we flip it over right here. We do a cut in the center. So we're gonna make a circle. We put it in the flour a couple of times. Don't stretch the dough. Then we place it right here. Same thing with this. We keep it a circle. Then we're gonna try to make a circle on this pizza. Don't take off the air to the cross. So here we get the shot, but make sure you don't drink, eh? We're gonna use it to make the donuts. There we go. Now we cut it in the center. This one we don't need it. Done. So little bit of flour. Now we flip it over like the pizza, but gently. Done. Gently. Take off all the flour. Now we don't touch it at all. So at this point we put the tomato sauce. Just like that, with a little spoon, you go around, just like the pizza. There we go, nice. Not too much, because if it touches the floor, it's gonna get messy. So now, at this point, a little bit of flour on the peel, and voila, we go in the oven. At this point, we can cook the dough. We can cook our pizza donuts with the oven off. But so I set it up at 500, exactly like the home oven. This way you can make this at your house. So we're gonna open the oven and place this in the center of the oven. Okay, now we're gonna close it, and we're gonna cook it about for 5 minutes, and then when they get a little bit gold, but not all the way cooked, about 60%, we're gonna take it out and we're gonna add the cheese. And then we're gonna put it back in the oven. Let's wait. Of course, I'm gonna make more for my friends here that they came to visit me from San Diego, so they need to eat. Look, they're waiting right there. Like I said, this, we don't need it. Nice and soft. Look at this dough. You can check out how to make this dough in my channel. I'm gonna link in the description what kind of dough I use for this one. Our donuts there are cooking. Our donuts are halfway cooked. Remember, I'm cooking at the same temperature of on oven. Look at this. Woohoo! Nice and soft. Now the other two, they are cooking. So now at this point, that's what we're gonna do. Very important. Come here. Because they are too hot, we're gonna press a little bit. And now it's time to put some Parmesan cheese. Some fresh mozzarella, or also shredded cheese is fine. Classic pepperoni. Nice. Voila. Ooh, this one looks tasty and yummy, guys. Now it's time to leave a thumbs up. Fantastic. Get excited. Okay, now let's go back in the oven. Gonna get it like this. I'm gonna place it back to the oven. We can go by hands. Done. And now we're gonna wait that the mozzarella gets melted. In the meantime, getting this other two, a little too hot. We're gonna finish this too. Voila. This way, my friends, they can eat these donuts too. And remember one thing, I make this for the first time. This is the first time just for you. You guys like pepperoni? Yeah. I like pepperoni. So we're gonna put some pepperoni. Okay, now we go back in the oven. And our donuts there are ready. But be careful, don't take it with your hands. We're gonna take it out from here. Vai. Wow, nice and crispy. Vieni vicino, vieni proprio con questo, deve essere un primo piano. Fermo là, fermo là. Wow! Woo! Nice and hot. Close the oven. Fantastic, fantastic. We still have our hole right there. Boom, boom. Now it's time to add our basil. Just a little bit. Wow. Okay, guys, our donuts. Woo, now it's cheesy, nice and cheesy. Now our donuts is ready. Give a thumbs up. My taste, of course. Woo, nice. So we're gonna cut it and see the inside also. I almost forgot. Let's show my friends right there. Wow. Nice. Looks like the pizza. Nice crust, look at this. Nice and smoky. Oh. Like I said, a little bit of basil. These are for my friends right here. They are waiting for. They are nice and hungry. They just finished to smoke. So now I'm gonna serve. Let's do it. Okay, guys, the donuts are finally ready. Please leave a thumbs up. And now we're gonna call my friends here. Let's go, guys. They came from San Diego. Ooh. So, guys, we're gonna taste. Come this side. Come this side. We're gonna see your face. We're gonna see your face. Bye. You grab one.
Oh, great.
You grab one.
You grab mine.
He likes that. This with pepperoni. There we go.
They're all good, I bet.
Enjoy. Let's
Cheers.
These are the Italian donuts. Le ciambelle di pizza, amici.